Hi, I'm Joe from Greenwood Cleaning Systems. I'm here to show you around this new escalator machine that you guys will be using. And we'll just kind of go around all the features of it and let you know what's going on. Of course, power cord, pretty simple. Have a handle. The handle works in the up position, the machine is off. To engage the machine and turn it on, you simply pull it back this way. It is directional, so you can go either way. There's another handle right here. That is for your solution. Pull up and it disperses the solution. The solution is held in this blue tank right here. Put the solution in here. There's two. You want to fill them up both equally. Mixture with whatever chemicals you're using. This button here, activated by this. When you activate that button, the water does spray out on through these little holes here. Sprays down onto the brush and conveyor belt. This is the brush. This is the conveyor belt. So when you turn the machine on and activate it, brushes spin, conveyor belt spins up, everything is brought up into this recovery tank, which is right here. Recovery tank isn't very big, so you want to monitor that and empty it often. The lid just kind of sits on there. There's a hole in the top of the lid. That would be phase one of your process, which will be shown at a later time. Vacuum, wet vac, set up for wet. You may need an adapter. If you do, adapter goes down in there, your vac hose goes over top of that. That will be phase one, again shown at a different time. Everything just kind of sits on there. Pretty easy and simple. Again, turning the machine on, pull back on the handle, up and center, shuts off. On this machine here, you have a few different switches. Basically, this one here activates the conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is on in the down position, and up position it is off. None of this turns on until you pull back on the handle. So conveyor in the on position, this is your brush setting. You have 5 different settings here. Their suggestion is in the highest setting, but it all depends on your escalator as well as what process you are in the cleaning setup. This is the lowest setting. This is the highest setting. This is a circuit breaker, so if some reason the brush gets bound up and does pop this breaker, simply put the handle in the up position, wait a couple minutes, and it is a resettable circuit breaker. They do that for the safety of the motor so you don't burn up the motor. These are wheels, which are guide wheels, which go on the escalator right before you clean up as you're getting set up. Each escalator is different, so therefore your positioning on the escalator may be a little different depending on the application. On this side, we have a panel which will allow you to take the brushes out and clean, which our suggestion is to just bring it into Greenwood and we'll maintenance after every cleaning. That way you guys don't have to worry about it. But if in fact you, for some reason, have to take it apart, these 2 screws pops this panel off. That comes off, the brushes simply pull out and then clean, get debris out of there, whatever the case is, put them back in and put this back on. And you may have to do a little twist of this to get that to slide back in. Slide it back in, put your screws in, and you're good to go. Kind of a recap on what we're doing here. You got your handle, back, on, off. It is directional. Solution allows the solution to go in and out. Solution tanks, fill them up equally with the diluted solution that you're cleaning with. Recovery tank, small recovery tank, check it often. Lid just sits on there. These just sit on there. Got your brush and your conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is activated by this switch here in the down position. This is your brush settings. Highest setting is the lightest, depending on your escalator and what sequence you're doing your cleaning in. Circuit breaker here. These are the guide wheels which guide on the escalator itself. The machine is a little bit heavy, but it certainly can be done by one person. Pick it up by here, put it on the machine, other way. Pick it up by here, wheels on the inside, set it on there, and there's that, and away you go.